chairperson of the East African Community. Welcome to this ceremony. We'd like to recognize once more His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit from the stage, President of the Republic of South Sudan and Chairperson of the East African Community. And now we're gonna receive Togo. Son Excellence, Monsieur
His Excellency Denis Sassou Nguesso, President of the Republic of Congo. Welcome to this ceremony.
Let us now receive Togo. Son Excellence, Monsieur
His Excellency Paul Esozima Nyansimbe, President of the Republic of Togo. Welcome to the ceremony.
Let us welcome Madagascar. Son Excellence, Monsieur
His Excellency Andrina Rajolina, President of the Republic of Madagascar, and the First Lady.
Let us welcome Botswana. His Excellency Mokwetsi Eric Kebetswe Masisi, President of the Republic of Botswana. Let us now welcome Ethiopia. Her Excellency Sahle-Work Zewde, President of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Welcome to this ceremony. Thank you all for the warm welcome extended to our guests.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic, my name is Jean-Bernard Kurahira. I'm here with my colleague Elodie Shami as today's AMCs. Your Excellency, on this day when you take your oath of office before Rwandans who elected you massively for a 5-year mandate, and as you will be taking your oath of office before the friends of Rwanda, we are honored as Rwandans to have elected you, which proves how we are very democratic and as per the Constitution of Rwanda. Your Excellency, today's ceremony is an opportunity to reflect on what we've achieved and to safeguard those as we put in office the leadership that we need.
Last month, Rwandans at home and abroad took to the polling stations in the millions to exercise their constitutional right to choose their leader. And today, we celebrate that choice. As a nation, we have been inspired to work hard to preserve the integrity of our history while securing a better future for generations to come. The dignity we were once stripped of has been restored, and we have resolved that we will not lose it ever again. Rwandans have seen your impassioned advocacy for our nation, our region, and our continent, and how that has led to real opportunities for better lives. Because of this and much more, Rwandans renewed their trust in you. This journey we have taken together will only get better with time, and we are all ready to play our part. Excellences, Mesdames et Messieurs,
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, thank you for being here at this swearing-in ceremony, inauguration ceremony of Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda. Rwandans take pride in this, and your presence here testifies to your friendship, and we're grateful for that.
We are privileged to have with us heads of state and government, friends of Rwanda, and many other distinguished guests. Please allow me to invite our Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation to introduce and welcome them.
Your Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, and Madam First Lady Jeannette Kagame, Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Heads of Delegation, Your Excellencies, Heads of International Organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are truly honored to warmly welcome all of you as we gather to witness the swearing-in of the President of the Republic of Rwanda following the successful presidential elections held on 14th and 15th of July 2024. Rwandans are happy that the elections were conducted smoothly, both within our borders and among the Rwandan community living abroad. Excellences, Mesdames et Messieurs, alors que nous
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we prepare to begin this new chapter, I wish to extend our sincere and heartfelt appreciation to all the brotherly countries and friends of Rwanda who continue to stand with us on our path to development. We look forward to continuing our collaboration in the years to come.
Several leaders of partner nations whose presence underscores the bonds of friendship and cooperation that we share. Please join me in recognizing their presence. His Majesty, King Mswati III, Head of State and Ingwenyama of the Kingdom of Eswatini, as well as Inkosikati Make Lamashwama.
His Excellency Denis Sassou Nguesso, President of the Republic of Congo. His Excellency Ismail Omar Guelleh, President of the Republic of Djibouti. His Excellency Faure Esozima Nyasimbe, President of the Republic of Togo.
His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan and Chairperson of the East African Community. His Excellency Filipe Jacinto Nyusi, President of the Republic of Mozambique.
His Excellency Faustin Archange Touadéra, President of the Central African Republic.
Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic of Ghana. His Excellency João Manuel Gonçalves Lourenço, President of the Republic of Angola. His Excellency Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa, President of the Republic of Zimbabwe. His Excellency Mokwetsi Masisi, President of the Republic of Botswana. Her Excellency Sahle-Work Zewde, President of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia.
His Excellency Andry Nirina Rajolina, President of the Republic of Madagascar, and Madam First Lady.
His Excellency Lieutenant General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan, Abdelrahman al-Burhan, President of the Transitional Sovereignty Council of the Republic of the Sudan. His Excellency Umaro Sissoko Embalo, President of the Republic of Guinea-Bissau. His Excellency Waver Ramkalawan, President of the Republic of Seychelles. Mheshimiwa Samia Suluhu Hassan, Rais wa Jamhuri ya Muungano wa Tanzania.
Her Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania. His Excellency Lieutenant General Mamadi Doumbouya, President of the Republic of Guinea.
President of the Federal Republic of Somalia.
His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya.
The Right Honorable Samuel Nsokoane Matekane, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Lesotho. His Excellency Patrice Emery Trovoada, Prime Minister of the Democratic Republic of Sao Tome and Principe.
His Excellency Brigadier General Brice Oligui Nguema, President of the Transition of Gabon. His Excellency Ousmane Sonko, Prime Minister of the Republic of Senegal. Your Excellencies, allow me to also pay special tribute to the high-level representatives of the heads of states and government, to former presidents present among us, and to the leaders of international organizations.
El Koni, Vice President of the Presidential Council of the State of Libya. Her Excellency Jessica Alupo, Vice President of the Republic of Uganda and spouse.
His Excellency Tiemoko Meliet Kone, Vice President of the Republic of Côte d'Ivoire.
The Right Honorable Michael Biswik Usi, Vice President of the Republic of Malawi.
His Excellency Brahim Bugali, President of the National People's Assembly of the People's Democratic Republic of Algeria. His Excellency Mr. Salama Ali Salem Hama, President of the Sahrawi National Council.
His Excellency the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mr. Olusegun Obasanjo. His Excellency the former Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, Mr. Haile Mariam Desalegn.
His Excellency Mr. Musa Faki Mahamat, Chairperson of the African Union Commission. Her Excellency Madame Louise Mushikiwabo, Secretary General of the Francophonie.
Her Excellency Veronica Mweni Nduva, Secretary General of the East African Community.
His Excellency Mr. Gilberto da Piedade Verissimo, President of the Economic Community of Central African States Commission.
Her Excellency Chileche Mpundu Kapwepwe, Secretary General of the Common Market for Eastern and Southern Africa. Excellencies, I would also like to recognize the following high-level officials delegated by their heads of state. His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Arab Republic of Egypt. His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Equatorial Guinea.
His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Mali.
His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of the Gambia. His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Zambia. Her Excellency, the Minister in the Presidency for Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation of the Republic of South Africa.
His Excellency, the President of the Higher Council for Education, Training and Scientific Research of the Kingdom of Morocco.
His Excellency, the High Commissioner of the Republic of Mauritius.
His Excellency, the Ambassador of the Union of the Comoros.
Finally, I wish to acknowledge the presence of high-level officials from foreign political parties of the following countries: the People's Republic of China,
the Republic of Congo,
the Republic of Uganda, the Republic of South Sudan, the United Republic of Tanzania,
the Central African Republic,
the Republic of Cuba, and the Republic of Angola. We extend our gratitude for your presence in this special occasion. Je vous remercie. Thank you. Asanteni sana. Murakoze.
Thank you to Minister Olivier Nduhungirehe for welcoming our guests. I'd like to announce our translation channels. English on Channel 1, le français à la chaîne 2, Arabic, Channel 3, Portuguese, Channel 4, Ikinyarwanda, Channel 5.
Arakoze Ministre w'Ububanyi n'Amahanga.
We thank the Minister of Foreign Affairs for introducing our guests. Let's give them another round of applause.
Uyu ni wa mwanya rero.
Now is the key moment for today's swearing-in ceremony. We request the Chief Justice Neziryayo Faustin, who's going to preside over this ceremony.
Swearing-in ceremony of the President of the Republic of Rwanda, which will be administered by the Chief Justice, Dr. Neziryayo Faustin.
Twebwe
I, Neziryayo Faustin, Chief Justice, after having realized that His Excellency Paul Kagame was elected President of the Republic of Rwanda, having seen that all that's required by the law has been fulfilled, respected, and based on the Constitution of the Republic of Rwanda, in its Article 102, which says that the President-elect takes oath of office before the Chief Justice, we are delighted to invite His Excellency Paul Kagame to take his oath of office. I, Kagame Paul, do solemnly swear to Rwanda that I will remain loyal to the Republic of Rwanda, observe and defend the Constitution and other laws, diligently fulfill responsibilities entrusted to me, preserve peace and national sovereignty, consolidate national unity, never use the powers conferred upon me for personal interests, strive for the interests of all Rwandans. Should I fail to honor this oath, may I be subjected to the rigors of the law. So help me God.
nyuma yo kurahira perezida
After taking his oath of office before Chief Justice, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Rwanda is going to sign his oath of office.
Republic of Rwanda will now proceed to signing the certificate of inauguration.
perezida w'urukiko rw'ikirere
The Chief Justice is going to give His Excellency the President of the Republic the symbols, the national symbols, the Constitution, the flag, and the seal of the Republic of Rwanda.
Now proceed to present His Excellency the President of the Republic of Rwanda with state symbols, which include the Constitution, the flag, and the coat of arms.
umugaba mukuru w'ingabo
The Commander-in-Chief of the Rwanda Armed Forces, the commander of the Rwanda's army is going to give the Commander-in-Chief the symbols for the protection of the country's sovereignty.
muri uyu mwanya
And right now, The President of the Republic is going to receive the national anthem as one of the symbols of the country. We request the Army Chief of Staff to direct the President where he is going to be standing. We're going to hear a 21-gun salute as a symbol of respect for the President of the country, for the President of Rwanda. And together we'll sing our national anthem.
mu nzego turasuhuza abandi
Those in uniform will salute, others will stand up.
national anthem.
Gun number 1, fire! Gun number 2, fire! Gun number 3, fire! Gun number 4, fire! Gun number 1, fire! Gun number 2, fire! Gun number 3, fire! Gun number 4, fire! Gun number 1, fire! Gun number 2, fire! Gun number 3, fire! Gun number 4, fire! Gun number 1, fire! Gun number 2, fire! Gun number 3, fire! Gun number 4, fire! Gun number 1, fire! Gun number 2, fire! Gun number 3, fire! Gun number 4, fire! Number 5.
이만들아! 공안! 사르테 조국! 일반아! 메라! nyakubahwa perezida wa repubulika akaba n'umugabo w'ikirenga w'ingabo z'u rwanda.
Your Excellency, President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief. This parade is presented by the Army and the Police with 12 sections, the Army Band, and the flag segment. The 9 lines each section. They are ready to be inspected by you, Brigadier General Jules Wirangira, Parade Commander. Your Excellency.
Those in the pavilion, you may be seated. Nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika akaba n'umugaba mukuru
His Excellency, the President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief, upon the requests of the parade commander, is going to inspect the parade before he authorizes them to march. He is accompanied by the Chief of Staff, General Mubarak Muganga, and Commissioner of Police, Felix Namuhoranyi. Your Excellency, this is the end of the inspection. So allow for the parade to start. Thank you.
dushimire nyakubahwa perezida wa repubulika
Let's thank the President of the Republic for authorizing the parade to start marching.
You may be seated. Nyakubahwa perezida wa repubulika,
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic,
banyacyubahiro hano,
honorable dignitaries, the parade that is going to march is made up of 12 sections with the army and the police, and also with the army band and the flag section. 3 of the sections are female, 2 from the army and 1 from the police. Now, the parade that we've been waiting for is going to start, preceded by the army band.
Gracias! Funga! Inwara Zamura! Zeriyamızka! İyarake!
rya muzika ryanditse C.
As you can read, the letters that they have formed is C and C, that is Commander-in-Chief. Because the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces. So this is what we wanted to thank the President for. He is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces of Rwanda, and we want to promise and commit ourselves to obeying him as regards of protecting the country's sovereignty.
sikari yake imbere y'abayobozi mu ngendo ya buhoro ingendo yihuta gaciye iburyo twese hamwe iburyo hindukira